Colby with Hester Morris. I just wanted to share with you how easy and fast it is to clean our aligners. Okay, so just starting out, we want to make sure we have clean aligners in a clean mouth. So if you're not able to brush during the day, all you have to do is rinse with water. All you're going to need is toothpaste and a toothbrush. And then we're just going to literally brush these like they're our teeth. You start brushing, you just go all the way around, making sure to swirl it around really good. But you also have to wash the front of these, and the inside, and on the bottom. What to do once you have brushed them with your toothpaste is just rinse them out. Just rinse them out really good. See how perfect and clean that is? And then you would just have to dry it and pop that thing in. If you notice that your aligners are just a little bit cloudy, you can also use hand soap and it'll get rid of any bacteria. And just remember, you better be washing them aligners 3 times a day, just like you should be brushing your teeth 3 times a day.